Hello everyone. So now I'm going to be told you how you can join a MetaForce by manually, because now the website is under review and maintenance. So they have opened the manual registration by which you can do the manual registration so that you don't lose your team. So first of all, click on the manual link. So I told you how you can earn manually. Suppose that yes, this is the manual link. I will paste this link in my description of this video, so you can copy from the description and you can register. So click copy this link, or you click on this link. I guide you everything. So I have clicked on this link. So now you can see here the article that they have said that you can register by the manual. So first of all, you have need to be open your token pocket wallet. So I click on my token pocket wallet. So this is my token pocket wallet. Yes, he says that open your token pocket wallet. So I have opened my token pocket wallet. First step. So what is the second step? Copy the MetaForce smart contract address. So this is the smart contract address of the MetaForce. I copy this address. The third step is to tap on the MATIC token and select the send. Paste this contract address mentioned above the receiver section. So the first step, click on the MATIC. So I click on the MATIC. So click on the transfer. I have clicked on the transfer. Send button. So there is the receiver. So paste here the smart contract address. So I have pasted here smart contract address. Now write the next step. The step 4 is the 5. Type 0 amount in the section and go to the fee section and select the custom option and set the gas fee and the gas limit. Okay. So first we have put here the amount that is 0, and then click on the custom option. In custom option, set the gas price 300 and gas limit of 2,10,000. So the time estimate is 3 seconds, and you can see here the fees is the 0.02 MATIC. 0.02 MATIC only. It's not a big price. So click on the advance, and here advance. Here you will write the contract address of your upliner. See here. Before applying your contract address, select the advanced setting and turn on hex and the chain data. Paste this hex data in the box provided. So copy this hex data. This is hex data. Copy this hex data and place here. Okay. So next, plus put upline wallet address here without OX. So my wallet address is here. I have give. Yes, here you can see this is my wallet address. So I copy my wallet address, but in the start of my wallet address you can see there is a OX. So OX. So this OX is determined. So this is my complete upline address. So I copy this complete address and I paste this chain data in my description. You can copy the complete chain data and just click on the confirm button. As you click on the confirm button, I have already registered. So transfer reminder, and I have already registered, so that you can register in this way. After the registration, so you have check your security. Okay. How you can confirm your transactions. So the same is the step. Yes, after doing this, so copy your MATIC address. This was your upline address. Now copy your MATIC address. The first step. Registration is completed. Yes, copy your PoS DAI smart contract address for the authorization, and then click on the MATIC. As same we have clicked on the MATIC. Paste your smart contract address and mention over the receiver, and then type the amount 0 and then go on the fee sections, manual sections, select gas price 300, gas limit 200 and 2,10,000. Yes, here you can see is an example. So paste the receiver smart contract address, amount 0, fee, then you select the fee, that's the custom, put the 300 gas price and gas limit 210 to 0, and select the advanced setting and turn on a hex in the smart contract chain. So paste this hex data in the box provided. So copy this hex data. So this is for the confirmations, and this hex data, after confirming this hex data, tap on the confirm. Yes, this hex data, and tap on the confirm. Now authorization in the Polygon chain is completed. So this is complete registrations. So next is how you can buy the label. So now I am pasting my upline hex, complete upline hex, how you can put your hex if you don't know how to make the hex. So I now put the hex data for the registration and for the authorization. I put the hex data, so you can copy and paste in your wallet. So the next step for the activation of the label. So same as the process, open your token pocket wallet, copy the METAFORCE smart contract address. This is the METAFORCE smart contract address. Number 3, click on the MATIC token and then send. Then paste the contract address in the receiver sections. Then type amount 0, gas price and the gas limit put. Okay, custom. And then click on the advanced setting. After advanced setting, so in the hex options, put this hex, provide this hex, and then click on the confirm button and continue and verify your password. So your level first will be DAI is successfully active. If you want also the second level, so same as the props, open your token pocket wallet and copy this hex for the second level. Copy this hex and put in the hex advanced setting, and then click on the confirm. Your second level will be upgraded. So I will put all the hex 3 levels. So because I recommend you in the manual registration, you only buy the 3 hex. So now I am complete pasting the all informations in my this video description, so you can copy easily and paste in your wallet. So thank you very much. If you have any problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and Telegram and my WhatsApp group. I am giving my WhatsApp link and my number in description. Thank you very much everybody. So let's start the manual registration and enjoy, build a good team, so that as the website will be live, you can earn a huge money. Thank you very much.